You know, I'm lucky. I've done several $1 million online, and a lot of that's been done through affiliate marketing, and that involves referring people to products and services that you get paid a commission for. And it's a great business model because it means that you can have an income without having to need to carry staff or develop your own products. Simply be a referral. So one of the things that I just wanted to talk about was the platform and the tech stack that I use to run my entire affiliate marketing business. I use Highlevel as a platform for a number of reasons. Number one, I can create funnels instantly. I can track all of my ad spend. I can do all my social media from that one place. But also, it replaced my autoresponder completely. So autoresponder, what does that mean? It means your mail database. When I started, I was using Aweber and GetResponse and ActiveCampaign. I consolidated them all into Highlevel. I got my own IP address, which is I think about $90 a month or something like that through Highlevel, and my mail delivery has been going through the roof ever since. You can set up automations that have workflows there where one thing happens and another thing happens. You've seen those posts on social media where comment below to get my free whatever. That all runs through Highlevel. And Highlevel have introduced just recently some really incredible AI, so conversational AI. People can communicate with a chatbot, answer questions, get bonuses, all of that kind of thing through Highlevel. So the way I use Highlevel is really, really clear. I set up all of my review pages. I've got funnels, I've got review information and my blog all on Highlevel. When I'm doing a review video, just slots straight into a template and everything else is taken care of. I've got my entire newsletter. So my templated newsletter that I fill in every single week, that's got all my data and details for my subscribers, all goes out via Highlevel and it's all automated. So Highlevel is my primary tech stack for running my entire affiliate marketing business. Right below this video in the description is a link to Highlevel. It's my affiliate link, so Highlevel also has an amazing affiliate program. When you sign up through me, just hit me up and let me know, and I'll send you templates and what we call snapshots, where you can one-click install into your own Highlevel. I'll give you all of those review page templates. I'll give you the landing page systems. I'll give you the email flows that I use to promote products and to grow my affiliate marketing business. When you sign up through me, I just want to make sure that you're successful with that. So on the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set all of that up inside of Highlevel and how you can have your own affiliate marketing system set up, ready to go. So click through, grab Highlevel to build an affiliate marketing business. Absolutely insane way to go. And all of my tech is on there. It keeps my costs down. I have one subscription and I get everything I need done inside of that Highlevel program.